Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick little tour of what is going on in my homestead kitchen today. This is Sunday, and I am actually cooking up a storm today, so I wanted to show you what I've got going on. So far, I've got a pot of beans going. My husband, he loves beans. He actually prefers beans over meat, and so I've got a pot of beans going for him. I have got a gingerbread cake that is waiting to go into the oven, and then I will frost that with cream cheese frosting when it comes out. In my slow cooker, I've got bone broth making because I realized that I was out of my broth. I'm totally out of jars of broth, so I've got bone broth making. And then in the oven, I have got barbecue chicken thighs going, and then I've got 2 pans of cornbread going to go with the beans. So I hope you guys like this little tour. My homestead kitchen isn't huge, but I do love to cook. So this is what is going on today in my kitchen. What are you guys making this Sunday? Leave me a comment below, and I'd love to see what you guys are doing.